everyone, welcome back to another episode of CMC series. In this second episode of CMC series from the leading car manufacturers, we have Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Limited. At the end, I will also tell you about the Hot Wheels Rolls-Royce cars created. Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Limited is a British luxury automobile maker founded on 15 March 1906 in Manchester, United Kingdom, by the engineers Henry Royce and Charles Rolls. It is the wholly owned subsidiary of the German group BMW. The first car made was a two-cylinder Royce 10. The Goodwood plant in the West Sussex, UK serves as the headquarters, design, manufacturing and assembly center for Rolls-Royce motor cars. The bonnet ornament sculpture that you see on the Rolls-Royce cars is known as the Spirit of Ecstasy, which is a form of woman leaning forward with her arms outstretched behind her. The current CEO of the Rolls-Royce motor cars is Torsten Müller-Ötvös. The things that make Rolls-Royce cars so expensive are that it has unlimited optional extras, upgrades, and customizations. The detailed paintwork is done by hand by just one person. Now we are going to talk about Rolls-Royce motor cars production.
Rolls-Royce Ghost.
Rolls-Royce Ghost is a full-size luxury four-door saloon car manufactured by Rolls-Royce Motor Cars. It was designed as a smaller, more measured, more realistic car than the Phantom, aiming for a lower price category for Rolls-Royce models. The current price of a Ghost is $332,500.
Rolls-Royce Wraith.
The Rolls-Royce Wraith is a full-size luxury car. The body style is a two-pillar less coupe with the iconic suicide doors, where all side windows can roll down like in a convertible. This body style was popular in American cars during 1950s and 60s. The vehicle was announced in 2013. The current price of Wraith is $330,000.
Rolls-Royce Dawn.
The Rolls-Royce Dawn is a handmade 2+2 luxury convertible full-size luxury car. It was announced in time for the 2015 Frankfurt Motor Show Rolls. Royce Dawn is available in 16 different colors. The 2020 Dawn starts at $356,500.
Rolls-Royce Phantom.
Rolls-Royce Phantom is a full-size luxury saloon car. It is offered in two wheelbase lengths. The interior is fully bespoke and personalized to the clientele like previous and current Rolls-Royce model cars. The Phantom is assembled by hand at Rolls-Royce plant in Goodwood, England. The current price of Phantom starts at $455,000.
Rolls-Royce Cullinan.
The Rolls-Royce Cullinan is a full-size luxury sport utility vehicle SUV produced by Rolls-Royce Motor Cars. The Cullinan is the first SUV to be launched by the Rolls-Royce marque and is also brand's first all-wheel drive vehicle. It is named after the Cullinan diamond, the largest gem quality rough diamond ever discovered. The Cullinan price starts at $330,000. There are two Hot Wheels Rolls-Royce models created, Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow and Rolls-Royce Phantom 2. That's all now for this episode of CMC series. Hope you have learned a lot about the Rolls-Royce motor cars. Make sure to hit the big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for the upcoming episodes of CMC series. Thank you.